Hello, my dear Russian language learners. We start this new series with the lesson how to say hello in Russian. There are two main ways of doing so. The formal one, здравствуйте. Repeat after me. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. This one you're going to use in formal situations, at work, with people you don't know, and also with people who are either older than you, like here in the picture, or in some kind of a hierarchy, are a little bit higher than you. Let's say your boss. You address with здравствуйте. The second version is informal, and it sounds like привет. Привет. This one you can use among family members, of course, among friends. Younger people can use it with people of more or less the same age, and with kids. Even if you're an adult and you are talking to some kid, you can say привет to that child, even if you don't know him or her. So that's it for this short lesson. Tomorrow we're going to talk about how to say goodbye in Russian. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, press like under this video, and I hope you learn Russian with me. Пока-пока!